Important airdrop updates for grass, scroll, we've seen it, let's discuss it, jumper, and many more. But before we go on, guys, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, which is Coin Vigilante over here. This is the amazing watches that they make. They're all Bitcoin themed watches. The link is down below if you want to go and grab yours. I did get myself this ceramic black one over here. You can pay in crypto, you can pay in normal coin, you can pay in bank coin, whatever you want to call them. But with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first is the jumper update. Now, here we see that they have partnered with the Peer protocol to give away 0.5 supply of their native token pair to Jumper Loyalty Pass holders. So if you are one of those, let's go and check out. So the eligibility is for level 8 or above with the Purpose Trading their JLP, or level 17 on the JLP as well. So users need to generate at least 15,000 community volume in order in this time frame to be eligible. The duration will be from today to the 31st of December. Here is the protocol. As you see here, I got level 12, so I should be eligible for that one. But we see it over here. This is a trade for users of Perps protocols, Hyperliquid, DYDX, JMXV2, Vertex, Intex, and ARC. And as we see it over here regarding the JLP, I should actually have it now. I don't see where I can see it or where I'm able to see it, but you got all of the other things. So in order to go and grab yourself that one, you need to be eligible. If you are, come over here and do all of these missions that you have the possibility to go and do. Following up, we do have the scroll ecosystem updates over here. And as we see, I did receive 120 tokens. For your information, I have already sold this token, so $100 profit in an airdrop that potentially spent way more for the fees generated. So a big letdown. Talking about it, we also can see the price. If we go over here to ByBit, let's follow 1 second the price action that we are having with scroll over here, and it is at $1.17. So it is slowly going down. It went all the way down to 1.10. And I do believe that this protocol, it is simply a big letdown. Therefore, I do believe that it is going to go lower. I'm actually tempted to open a short, but of course, no financial advisor. Do as you wish. I am potentially going to open a short position and try to ride it all the way to the $1, which I do believe it is going to come out. Seems like it launched at 0.3, if I'm not mistaken, over here, over on ByBit, 0.30 cents. So this is how it was, and yeah, not the best airdrop, but it is what it is. Also very important that, I don't know, I'm not gonna invest it in the long term, just for your information. You let me know your thoughts on scroll airdrop down below. The link will be down below also for you to go and buy it. It will be not for go and buy it, to go and claim it in case you haven't done it yet. You can delegate, you can simply claim. You claim over here, you select no delegates assigned, and you will have them directly on your scroll MetaMask wallet, which then you are able to go and send over to your ByBit wallet. The link is down below if you want to sign up to ByBit. As we see here, you can already buy it, you can already sell it, and most importantly, you can already trade perpetuals. If you are within the perpetual, of course, you can go and trade it right here as we see it with this protocol. So up to you. Following up on what we did mention yesterday, we have the #1 trending NFT on Zora. And why is it #1 trending? Because you will have the possibility to go and grab yourself an airdrop from it. As we see over here, mint and secure your future surprise airdrop rewards with this one. And this is going to be base, going to be current, it's going to be Zora. So the link will be down below. Simply go and mint it. We got 39,000 mints. I got myself one as well. And as we see here, it is 24 cents in case you want to sell it, in case you want to buy it. You click on sell, or you simply click on buy it, as you see up to here, and you have the possibility or to simply buy it. So very important for you to go and do it. We got it yesterday, just an update in case you missed yesterday's video. Following up, we got a Pump Fun mega airdrop, which it is coming very soon, as they have anticipated over on their Twitter. One of the biggest announcements in Pump's Fun history is coming up, and one that tons of you have been asking for. So there will be an airdrop. How to participate in this one? Well, Pump Fun is a platform that you have simply the possibility to go and trade meme coin, launch a coin that is instantly tradable in one click for free. So that is basically what they do. Talking about the one coin, just to let you know, we do have our community coin over here. The John Cena has their dedicated page over here, and this is the John Cena page. So as I did mention also yesterday, we are going to have the possibility of an airdrop when we reach $50,000 market cap. It is a coin. I own nothing of it. We got 129 holders, so we are getting traction, and it is absolutely insane to see. And like as we see here, $55 for $55, this was the red candle that it created. So you see that a minimum buy can really skyrocket. It would be cool to see it in the top trending. It would be cool to see it at $50,000. The link is down below if you want to join. As I said, community driven. I got the tokens from when I created the token, so that's everything I have. And I will be doing a giveaway when we reach 50,000, 100,000, and so on. But fun, it is going for an airdrop. There hasn't been a snapshot. No one knows. They haven't said it yet. To go and participate, the best thing would be to go over to their website, connect your Solana wallet, create a token, which a small amount of 1 cent and 0.1 Solana, visit the board, buy a few coins, and sell them right away. Of course, you know, there is a 99.9% chance that you go and lose money while doing it, and potentially the airdrop allocation will be a quantity over quality, in terms that if you will buy $1 and then you trade and then you sell it, etc., it will be the airdrop proportion to that compared to somebody that loses $10,000 or trade or profit or loses whatever. So it will be potentially a liquid airdrop. But if you do wish to go and create it, go and understand it, go and participate in it, the link will be down below. Following up, we also have a first free NFT over on the Ape chain, which is why if you've seen the Ape token and you've seen the Ape chain, it has skyrocketed for like 100%. So it's now at $1.50. It was at 70 cents yesterday. And because their network has gone live, their mainnet has gone live, and you can swap it, as we see here, over on Owelto, and then you can mint it over to Magic Eden, as we see over here. If we go to our Owelto, wrong one over here, if we go to our Owelto platform right here, you have the possibility to go and swap Ape on the Arbitrum via Owelto. So simply go to the swap situation over here, which is the page. The link is down below for you to go and grab it. And you can go and put it right here. So you can go and put it over to Ape, this token right here on the Arbitrum network, trade, have the possibility, and then go and grab yourself the minting of the NFT. And you go and insert also the Ape chain logo in the situation. So very good as well. This is a free swapping free from Owelto, as well as bridging for their upcoming airdrop, which they do have submissions still. So make sure to go and participate if you want to go and scale the ranks for the leaderboard over here, for the point, as we see it over here with the day check-in, the follow, the join the Discord, referrals, join Telegram, etc. So very, very important. Following up, let's talk about the Grass airdrop. Now, as we see here, the launch of the airdrop 1, which entitles that there's going to be another airdrop, which we will see whether it is how much you use it, what you trade, what you do, what you don't do. Are referrals still going to be a thing? Is it still going to be possibility to go and do it? Well, I got my allocation claim of 2,100 final token. At time of recording this video, it does seem like they are about to be $2,000 because it is at a $1 market price. But as we see here, what is the token enables is a fundamental element of the centralized network that provides users. Grass will be enable holder to engage with the Grass network as follows: governance, participate in the development of the Grass network, including proposing and voting on network improvements, staking and rewards. You can stake your Grass token to routes to facilitate web trafficking flowing through the network and earn rewards. So let's go and see what the APY of this stacking will be, because if it is a juicy APY, amazing. And then we got the access to the bandwidth. After the decentralization, Grass will be used to pay for transaction on the network, enabling decentralized scraping of public data. So this is a distribution system, transactional efficiency, global settlement is over 190 countries, transparency, proof of each transaction being posted on chain, ownership. Airdrop number 1. Well, we got the Airdrop 1 allocates 100 million Grass token, 10% of total supply, to early node runners and community members as follows: 9% to users who earn Grass point during the stage 1, which it is us, and these are the whole stages that you see over here. We then go 0.5% to Gigabytes NFT, which approximately right now it's $500 if you did own one NFT, if you own two, if you own three, etc. And 0.5 to users who install the desktop node or the Saga application. The network snapshot includes all users who earn more than 500 Grass point in a given epoch. So this is the only criteria. The network snapshot includes all users who have earned more than 500 Grass point in a single given epoch. and it is not grasp point in terms of this one as well. As we see over here, I do have 500 grasp point within the epoch number 7. Or does it mean that the grasp point, it is simply what you have over here, the earning, the grasp point 500, as we see over here. This is the criteria. You can check your eligibility now, and if you're not able to go and participate, then it is because of that reason. Then we got the allocation for each epochs have been divided into 9 tiers and determined based on the grasp points earned from the network uptime and referrals, with higher grasp point placing participant in higher ties. We see over here, closed alpha, epoch 1 with tier 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 9. As we see over here, tier 2, tier 2, tier 1, tier 2, tier 2. So this is how you were placed, tier 1. So the one that I was within the tier 1, as we see over here, 600, 400, 446. These were the possibility to have a tier 1 in terms of the uptime also of your network, which was very, very important. So aside from referrals, the uptime, which I could have done better, it was what it is. Every eligible users will be rewarded with grasp points. However, the method and timing will differ based on your jurisdiction. A total of 5 million tokens are distributed equally among all Gigabytes NFT holders at this snapshot block. 515 grasp per Gigabytes NFT. So this is what they have. The live context they go, the router, infrastructure, network integrity, and everything that you do have. As we see here, there is no claiming whatsoever right now, so be careful what you see online. But let me know your total point allocation down in the comments below. Next up, we also have the Soul EP2 portal is now live to go and claim. And this is the page, not this one. The page is this one right here, the app Soul layer over here. And I am missing out because of one task only to be eligible. So you have to have 3 tasks to be eligible for it. And you can still do it, by the way. Like here you go. So we're taking on exchange backed LST, BSOL, BBSOL, delegate, participate in Epoch 1, get a permanent link. So this is what it is. I'm not eligible for it, but it is what it is. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Make sure to give it a follow. Make sure to check out Coin Vigilante. The link is down below. And thank you very much for your support. See you tomorrow. Ciao, guys.